Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Andreas Waatz, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this Google Chrome tutorial in 2019 we're gonna learn how we can enable dark mode. Alright, so to do this just go to your Chrome browser and go up to the top right corner, click on the three dots, go down to more tools and click on extensions. Alright, then go up to the top left corner, click on extensions and go all the way down to this one, Open Chrome Web Store, click on that. And in the search bar, search for dark mode, hit enter. So we're gonna choose this one, dark theme for Chrome. Click on add to Chrome, add extension, like that. So if you go to google.com, we now have dark mode, and as you can see right here we have this icon, click on that. Okay, so to remove dark mode you can just click on enable to remove the dark mode on Chrome, and if you want to add it one more time just click on disable. And also if you want to exclude only one site you can add a URL right here. So let's say we go to YouTube, like that. So as you can see we have dark mode, and if you go to the icon and we're gonna add youtube.com, click on add, like that. So this removes the dark mode on this URL, in this case YouTube. And if I go back to google.com, we now have dark mode. Okay, and also if you want to remove this youtube.com, just click on this arrow and you can just click on X, like that, to remove this URL. Okay everyone, so this is how you can enable dark mode on Google Chrome in 2019. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this was helpful. If you want you can leave a comment below if this worked or not. You can also subscribe to my channel for more of these videos right here. You can also click on the notification bell to get my updates directly. Alright, and also check out my latest video right here. Just click on this image, and I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.